Garlic season is kicking off, y'all. And they are beauties. Still a lot more to go. All right, everybody, welcome back. We are still garlic harvesting. And I'm getting the music out right now. I mean, guys, this is probably one of my best garlic seasons I've ever had, with bulbs looking so good. I think it's because I used a lot of rabbit manure. And we've had some good rain and just right conditions, I think. So these babies are just the biggest musics I've ever grown. Usually they're a little smaller than this. I mean, my God, guys, these are huge and beautiful. So, oh man, I got a lot of them to get out. Whole entire tub there still. And we got about almost half to go. So I'm really impressed. I mean, ain't they pretty, guys? Wow. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm David with Zion's Gate Ranch. We are now in full-blown garlic harvesting mode, okay? And just really need to check on them. I pulled out a soft neck variety here that's new. And what you need to do is, how to tell your garlic's ready is have you a cat. No, I'm just joking. But usually about 3 bottom dead leaves I like to see, and you're not gonna have all of them be exactly the same. But another thing that you can do is just dig up around the base and check the bulb formation, you know, and these are looking really good. So you don't want to leave them in too long or you'll start having issues, especially with all the wet ground we had. So I like to just go through and check them. And like you see, this is a good example right here. See how you have 1 dead leaf? Actually, there's another one there. 2, and usually this third one right here. See, this 1, 2, 3. That's what I like to go look for. And it's pretty simple to tell, right, Shadow? Every year he's out here doing this. He's a nutcase for garlic. So anyways, just walk around, pay attention. Like here's another good example. See this? 1, 2, 3. Same with this one. 1, 2, 3. These are ready. And see, I'll dig up behind it, beside it, and see, really moist soil. But these are looking good, so we're gonna pull these. So anyways, guys, we are on the farm having a good time, and we're out here gonna dig a lot of these up. And we got all of our hay. We got 55 brown bales of hay. That's really nice. And I got to get these up. We got music. We've got Italian purple. We've got chestnut. And the list goes on. Elephant, German hardy, and a fat cat. It's always in my way. He's always in the garden, guys. Always in the garden. Now check out my tomatoes. Peppers are doing good. I kind of just roll those out. I was in a hurry, so it's not perfect. But look at these tomatoes. Boom, boom. Tomatoes are rocking right now. For all the rain we had and no sunshine, we're finally getting sunshine. Look at that one, that's a dandy. So they're all putting on flowers. That's a really good thing. So we'll be having tomatoes. Yeah. So anyways, guys, catch you on the next one. I'm out here sweating. That's how you tell when garlic's ready. Now see, here's another one. See how that one's just like fully dead? I mean, you're not gonna have all of them perfect, okay? You're gonna have some that are just somewhat ready, but if you leave them in too long, they don't store well and they will rot. So I just get them out around this time. Usually it is the first week of June. We are a little late. And some of these could go another week, you know? But you don't want them completely dead or you'll have problems. So I like where they're looking right now, and they'll store really good. So, all right, guys, see you on the next one. And from Shadow, he'll be here the whole time I'm doing garlic, guys. He does not play when it comes to garlic. He'll even lay on them. On the porch, he lays on them. Isn't that right, Shadow? He helps plant. He helps do all that. So, from my house to your house, from my farm to your farm, stay steady and work hard, guys. Prosper and love you guys. Peace.